Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to do a quick video. I think I'm gonna do two videos today. One is gonna be on Nasdaq, and the second one is going to be on Shiba. So yeah, let me start with Shiba today. This is what I wanna do. So before I start with this video, let me show you guys something amazing. Okay,
Shiba
so
we bought
guys, listen to
somewhere
this
here.
video first.
This is where we bought Shiba, and it went with us all the way like this. But since we take out this eye, I'm just gonna wait a bit at least. So if we can retrace again somewhere here, so if we retrace again here, then we look for how we need to like buy something like this. Or if it's gonna drop again more, it's gonna come this side. So somewhere this is gonna be the price. But let's see. Dogecoin also.
Okay, so guys, was the video I record for someone. I was explaining to someone we bought with him Shiba. So we bought Shiba somewhere here. This is where we invest Shiba. Then Shiba went all the way to the upside with us. When it gets on this eye here, I told people, let us sell I, then we are going to buy low. So many people did not believe me. Let me show you guys. In this group, it's there. It must be there. Sell I and buy low. I believe is there. It was this one. Do you see, guys? So I did send all this analysis where I said we have to sell this I, then we need to buy low. Then this also was the area I was expecting for market to come and react to it. Market get also there, react to the level that I was watching for that time. Then market, and this is what ended up happening. So when this guy asked me which platform do you use to buy crypto, then I end up explaining whatever. So when you understand what is happening in the market, when you know there was no way this thing could get another push to the upside without retracing, since we had this break of structure, then market has to retrace, and this is what I was expecting, for market to retrace. And I had chosen that, like it was three. One was in H1 where I think I bought again from here. Then I end up closing up. Then this was the area where I was expecting again to come and buy. And this is what I saw this morning, market come and react to it. Then the last one is the one that is here. So this is the area that I'm expecting market to come. Why? Because for me, this area here, it can act as liquidity, the one that is there. Then markets, you see all this imbalance, and we have this on here, the internal structure. So all those, that is the area that I'm looking at for market to come and react to it. So when I told people to sell from here, most of the people didn't believe me, because so many people, they're only seeing these things going to the upside. No one saw it coming to the downside. People, they believe, no, we're gonna make money just to go up, whatever, following all the news. Sometimes you need to understand your structure and your price at the same time. Don't let the influence of people outside there make you risk your money. Because I know there is people that bought from here and they believe this thing is gonna fly to $1 from here. If you check the market cap of Shiba, we still have a long way to go to $1, because that thing is so huge, and so many people, they own this Shiba. Let's say if today just get to $1, so many people in the world will become billionaires. Now these people, they cannot do that. They have faced to burn some Shiba before they make price going to the upside. Now, as we sold, like me, I sold from here, and there is those people that they've been start selling now. Check when the people, they realize, no, this thing is gonna drop, let me sell. Now they start selling. Do you see all this pressure, the way it was happening? And here, I believe we did bought here. This is where I had that zone on H1. Yeah, this is the area I had on H1, I'm sure. The zone I had on H1. So guys, it's the same. It's happened again even on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, if you remember guys, on my previous video where I explained about we break the structure, we create this law, then this one was the order that I was looking at, and at the same time I'm waiting for market to run this low so that we can come and start buying from this area. This is what I'm expecting. If we could go more to the downside, I want to see Bitcoin getting to 20,000 or 18,000. This is me. I'm saying me. Why? Because if we trade structure, Bitcoin still have a level that never mitigated since we took out all this high. You see, market has to come back, fill all the orders that was been resting here. So this is the area I'm expecting Bitcoin also to come, for me to, you know, try and invest again, because I know we missed Bitcoin from the beginning, but Bitcoin cannot just continue going to the upside without retracing, and people, they continue believing that has to go up. I remember even Robert Kiyosaki said something like this. I don't know if I pronounce his name properly, bear with me. Then he said something when we create this I saw him on his Instagram. He said like Bitcoin is already created the higher I. Then what we have to wait for is for Bitcoin to retrace so that we can invest. He said that, and I was monitoring. Then I saw this one. This is why I end up making a video trying to explain to people what they could look in the markets, what they have to see. You see all those kind of stuff. How you could take the entry from here, all this reaction. Even this level here, I explained on the previous video that market has to buy here and market has to correct from this area. I explained these things. Previous week. I even sent this to someone. I told the person, this one here, I'm even laughing. This one is Wyckoff because market is gonna drop from here. I explained to someone. Let me try to check that chart. Let me try to look for that chart. I did send to someone, one of my bro. So let me check it now. I'm just gonna, okay. So I just get it now. Okay, so it is on the Telegram. Moses not there. What is happening? Do you guys see? I saw these things. What is happening? The market goes all the way to the downside. So sometimes you just look and react to what market is showing you. Because so many people, they believe this one market has to go to the upside, but me on my mindset, I say this one is a distribution. Market has to drop. Another person is going to tell you why distribution there. No, market has to continue up because this is the reaccumulation. Then market has to go to the upside. So it depends on how you understand the market and how you look at the market. This is what you see. So believe me, guys, when you understand something, you must just pay attention to it and react to it. You see. So sharp, guys. I hope this video is gonna make you sense. It's gonna make sense to you. Believe in yourself and trust what you know. Then everything is just going to be smoothly to you. Sharp. Enjoy, guys.